Hi Momenters, hi viewers, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 20,700 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. Today, we're in the rainy Kingston 8 area, more specifically Oaklands, and we're going to look what $110,000 gets you as it pertains to renting in Kingston 8, alright? But enough of the chattings, I'm not ready for the video. When ready? Run me intro. So this particular home is being rented. I almost fell. This particular home is being rented in Block E. I won't show you specifically where it is, but once we get on the inside, then I'll cut back. But I just want to let you guys see that this place has community notice board, key access, boom. You have the elevator, that's right here. So in case you're lazy, you know, and you don't want to take the steps, but we're going to take the steps, alright? So I'll cut back to when we get inside the house. So we're about to head on inside. I'm going to leave my shoes outside because it's been raining. And speaking of outside, just outside this door, going up the stairs some more, you do have a laundry area where you can go and do your laundry. There is a backup water supply here. There is inline water heater, and there is also a daycare next door, tennis court, jogging path, football field, and I think there's a supermarket over here or close by. There's also a business complex that's next door, so you can definitely do your shopping over there and some amount of business. I'll try to find out what the different businesses are that are over there and put that in the video right now. But stepping on the inside, we're starting at the kitchen first, and as you can see, it is a nice little kitchen area. You do have a double bowl sink. You also have upper cabinetry and lower cabinetry, and you have granite countertops, solid. You have your electric cooktop, because of course in these apartment buildings, stratas, you're not allowed gas stove because you don't know risk of fire. Then you have recessed lighting, pretty nice. You have a power outlet here, and your standard size refrigerator would go right here. All right, so moving right along into this space, let me just give you a reverse view of the kitchen area from here. Boom, pretty nice. All right, so this is your open concept living and dining. It is air conditioned. You have a window right here, and if I didn't mention it, this is a 2-bedroom and it is actually renting. I'll put the number or the contact number for the homeowner in this video, so you can reach out to them and they'll put you in touch with their particular realtor to get this place rented. All right, so this is the what I said, this is the prime. All right, let's jump into here first. So this is the first bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom. Have a nice lighting fixture right there, and look who it is, my best friends over there. Big up Carlisa Enterprises and their air conditioning units. Don't know the vibes. Floors are tiled. There are larger tiles outside and then smaller tiles on the inside. You have your closet area that's behind the door here. Boom, pretty nice. Close that back, and they have additional shelf space that's right there. And let's see what your view is like. Mosquito mesh, always good, or insect mesh, always a good touch. Have parking space outside here. Ample parking is right here, and then right across the way there's more additional parking as well. yeah, and that's it for this room. So this is the first of 2 bedrooms that are available here. Before we go into the next bedroom, there's this passageway. You can possibly put up a small structure right here. Nothing permanent, of course, because if you put up a permanent structure in a place that you're renting, you have to leave it there when you're leaving. So something semi-permanent, I don't know, a shoe stand or something, or some form of cupboard that will hold some things. You guys are very creative. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys would utilize this little corner for. Alright? So this is the bathroom itself. Pretty nice. Recessed lights again inside here. Single vanity. You have the hand towel holder. And just as we're here looking at this mirror, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. Alright? There is toilet right here. Toilet paper holder is there. Towel rack is right here. You have your pretty nice shower. Nice shower head, modern, nice. I like this. So that's the bathroom for you guys. And then we move into this next bedroom, which it seems a bit bigger. They want to look like equal size, but at the same time, stepping into this one, I guess because the closet area is right there, it gives me a slightly larger feel. So I guess, and then because this one is actually to the back, primarily the primary bedroom is to the back, away from the sound or the noises from the outside world. And again, this room is also air conditioned, windy air conditioning units, of course. Love them. So the entire house is air conditioned. You have the primary air conditioning unit right there. You have one in this room and one in this room. And let me give you just a look at what this space looks like. Boom. And then this is cool. Let's open this. See what's going on outside, you know. You get a little view. You can wake up, you can see the sun coming up right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what this closet space has to offer. Boom, and it's a larger closet than the one that's next door. Bam, and there's a bench inside here. You probably can put some shoes underneath, and then some more important items like maybe fold some pants and use those racks right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular unit. You guys can comment down below and let me know if you think that it is worth the $110,000 asking price. And if you do think that it is worth it and you want it for yourself, you can also reach out to the homeowner right here. I'll leave her number right here. But if there's anything else that you guys would like to comment, anything that you would change, anything that you would upgrade in this apartment, you can also leave it down below and let me know. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And all you have to do to support me in getting to that dream is just to like this video if you actually like it, smash that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. Alright, that has been enough from me. AB signing out.